Hey, ever wondered if that SmileFit Pro tooth polish you keep seeing online is the real deal, or just another dental scam? Let's get honest. I've been digging into the reviews and research for 2026, and here's what I found. First off, SmileFit Pro is often mixed up with brands like Smile Pro or My Sweet Smile. So, if you're getting deja vu from those TikTok ads, you're not wrong. The big question, is it a scam? Well, not exactly. There's no solid proof that SmileFit Pro itself is a straight-up scam, but the hype can be a little dramatic. When it comes to performance, most of these pro tooth polishes work more as stain removers than miracle whiteners. They use ingredients like calcium carbonate to gently scrub away surface stains from coffee, tea, or smoking. A lot of users say their teeth look shinier. Think of it as a photo filter for your smile. But don't expect a Hollywood white transformation overnight. The results can be subtle and usually need regular touch-ups. Now, for anyone worried about sensitivity, good news. These polishes are often peroxide-free, so you skip the zingy pain that can come with other whiteners. Still, not everyone is happy. Some reviews mention shipping delays, especially in late 2025. That left people thinking they got scammed, but most eventually got their orders or a refund after talking to customer service. Watch out for sneaky subscription traps, though. Those free trial offers might hook you into monthly charges if you're not careful. Always read the fine print. My tips? Look for tooth polishes with safe ingredients like hydroxyapatite or PAP. Only buy from verified websites, not sketchy social media ads, and before you try anything abrasive, talk to your dentist. Your enamel will thank you. So, is SmileFit Pro a scam? Not really, but is it a miracle product? Maybe not. Stay smart, read the reviews, and keep smiling.